From exhilarating desert adventures to world-class cultural events, Dubai in winter offers a perfect blend of thrill and relaxation. Whether you're soaring over golden dunes in a hot air balloon, exploring vibrant winter markets, or skiing indoors, there's something for everyone. Top winter activities in Dubai. Take a hot air balloon. Ride over the desert. Drift above the vast Arabian desert as the sun rises, casting a golden glow over the dunes. A hot air balloon ride offers breathtaking views and a serene experience, followed by a traditional Bedouin breakfast. Why in winter? Cool morning temperatures make it the ideal season for this tranquil adventure. Indulge in retail therapy. Dubai is a shopping paradise. Explore luxury brands at Dubai Mall and Mall of the Emirates. Or soak in the charm of the Souk Madinat Jumeirah. Don't miss the Dubai Shopping Festival, where the city comes alive with sales, fashion shows, and fireworks. Why in winter? The festival runs only in winter, offering exclusive deals and entertainment. Go indoor skiing at Ski Dubai. Experience winter in the desert at Ski Dubai, an indoor ski resort with slopes for all skill levels. Enjoy the snow park or sip hot chocolate at an Alpine-style cafe. Why in winter? The resort hosts festive events, including Christmas celebrations with Santa himself. Visit the Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest building. No trip to Dubai is complete without experiencing the Burj Khalifa. Whether dining at high-end restaurants or enjoying breathtaking city views from the observation decks, this landmark is a must-visit. Why in winter? Cooler temperatures and earlier sunsets offer a more comfortable experience. Embark on a desert adventure. Go off-road in an ATV or quad bike and explore Dubai's wild side. Experience dune bashing, camel rides, and an unforgettable night under the desert sky. Why in winter? The milder climate makes outdoor adventures more enjoyable. Explore Dubai's thriving art scene. Dubai's winter is packed with cultural festivals like the Quoz Arts Fest and the Emirates Airline Festival of Literature. Visit art galleries, public exhibitions, and contemporary showcases in Al Sirkal Avenue. Why in winter? The city hosts several prestigious art events during the cooler months. Wander through the Dubai Miracle Garden. Step into the world's largest natural flower garden, home to over 150 million blooms. Stroll through stunning floral displays. From heart-shaped pathways to massive flower-covered sculptures. Why in winter? The garden opens only between November and April, offering a colorful escape from the city. Burj Al Arab. In the cool, crisp air of winter, the iconic Burj Al Arab stands tall against the bright blue sky. Its sail-shaped silhouette shimmering under the soft winter sunlight. The usually sweltering desert heat has given way to a refreshing breeze, creating the perfect atmosphere to admire this architectural marvel. With the serene, calm waters surrounding it and the distant backdrop of Dubai's skyline, the Burj Al Arab takes on a new, more majestic aura during the cooler months. Dubai Fountain. As winter brings cooler temperatures, the Dubai Fountain comes alive with its grand water displays against the backdrop of the Burj Khalifa. The evening sky, painted in shades of dusky purple and pink, enhances the magical effect as the fountain's water dances in sync with music, sending sparkling droplets into the crisp air. Visitors can enjoy the show from the nearby promenades, where the winter breeze adds to the enchanting atmosphere of this outdoor spectacle. Dubai Aquarium. Inside the Dubai Aquarium, winter's chill is forgotten as visitors are immersed in a world of vibrant marine life. The temperature-controlled environment offers a perfect escape from the cool desert air outside. As you walk through the tunnel, schools of colorful fish swim gracefully around you, and majestic sharks glide by. The winter months make this indoor wonderland feel even more magical, as the soft light illuminates the deep blue waters and the creatures within them. Winter is the best time to visit Dubai, offering ideal weather for outdoor activities, vibrant festivals, and unbeatable shopping deals. With daytime temperatures ranging between 14 to 24 degrees Celsius, 57 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, the city remains warm and pleasant, though desert nights can get chilly, making it essential to pack accordingly. Dubai's winter attractions are diverse and exciting. The Dubai Shopping Festival transforms the city into a shopper's paradise, while landmarks like the Burj Khalifa, Ski Dubai, the Miracle Garden, and desert safaris provide unforgettable experiences. While Christmas is not an official holiday, Dubai embraces the festive spirit with grand decorations, lively Christmas markets, and dazzling fireworks displays. The coolest month is January, with average temperatures around 20 degrees Celsius, 68 degrees Fahrenheit, a refreshing contrast to the city's scorching summers. Whether you're seeking adventure, culture, or retail therapy, Dubai in winter promises an unforgettable experience. Start planning your trip and make the most of this magical season.